the word American to refer to a person from the United States, American citizen, American people, American family. He became an American citizen after living in the country for years. Then American people are known for their diversity and multiculturalism. The American family enjoys traditional Thanksgiving dinners every year to describe cultural or national characteristics. American culture, American values, American dream. American culture is deeply influenced by various immigrant groups. Meant American values emphasize individualism and freedom. And the American dream represents the idea of success through hard work, to refer to things related to the United States. An American flag, American history, American food. An American flag is a symbol of national pride, and he's an expert in American history and has written several books. American food includes a variety of dishes, from burgers to barbecue, to indicate a style or type characteristic of the U.S. American style, American football, American music. She decorated her house in American style with bold colors and large furniture. American football is a popular sport played across the country. And jazz and blues are two genres of American music that have influenced the world. To refer to products or goods associated with the U.S., then to American brands, American products, American companies. American brands like Apple and Coca-Cola are known worldwide. American products are often marketed for their high quality and innovation. And many American companies have expanded their operations globally.